Hey guys, we're here for another
Alright, mate.
video. One moment, Verbal.
Alright.
I'm here for another video. If you know where it's me, Mewtwo, and I'm going to be doing some, as far as I'm aware, Boat Crash Simulator with the boys, and we might be having someone join us. If you want, you can go check out their YouTube channel.
His name is Buffoon, mate. Oh god, mate. I love it here.
This is Neo from our channel, the Neo Mewtwo _PlayStation.
Oh my god,
PlayStation.
mate.
Verbal, can it? He also has his own VR channel called Neo _VR. If you're watching this video, you know mine. And you can also go check out Neo on Twitch for PlayStation. You can also check out Verbal. You can also check out Verbal on Twitch. He has his own Twitch channel. I don't think he does YouTube yet, but he does have Twitch. And we might be having Amphgy join us, which you can go check out his channel as well. Where'd he go? Party up, party up, party up, party up. So we don't have to... Verbal, party up. What is Neo doing?
Probably talking to Amphgy, mate. I'm not going in the party chat.
Hey, party up, party up, party up.
No.
There we go. Now let's go find something to do while we wait on his bum.
Oh no. Let's take the rocket.
Oh yeah. The rocket. It's devious.
Yeah. Oh no, he's coming. Come on, take off! Oh my god, it's taking so long.
Take off. Take off.
Did he get in?
I don't know.
He got in.
Oh, there he is. Come here, Neo. Ow! I suck at climbing. Oh, hi, Verbal. Quick! To the airplane! To the airplane! Okay, guys, we do have Amphgy joining us.
Again on this Boat Crash Simulator, and we have Amphgy joining us.
Hello!
Oh, the fool.
Amphgy,
Shut up, man! Shut up!
Oh,
You peasant! Shut up!
okay,
What are we doing?
Amphgy, English for a moment. Amphgy, what's your YouTube channel? English.
ANFJ.
No, I don't mean spell it off. Say it.
Amphgy 2012.
There you have it. If you want to go check out his channel. Amphgy, party up. No! They're leaving!
I thought we were doing this.
What an idiot.
Ah, says the guy who didn't make it. Which one are we getting on? The Evergreen? Guys, get on Amphgy on the Evergreen.
Oh. I can't get up. I fell through the water. I hate not being on VR.
Well, you should have charged your
God,
VR. Where's Neo?
Oh, no.
Neo! We left Verbal. We left Neo.
Well, that sucks.
Sucks to be them. We
Alright, mate. Welcome to Australia. We're going to Australia, mate. Do not.
Spaceship.
Vibing with the song, dude.
Spaceship.
There's a shark, mate.
Where? Verbal died. I don't see no shark. I don't know what he's talking. Shark. I guess that's the shark he was talking about. It's looking a bit derpy. That looks a lot like that. You ever realize that? Big ass shark. Jaws all game. Am I gonna have to be mentally challenged by this thing? No, it's just gonna start weighing it down. Okay. I don't know if they can see me. Jaws, you're weighing the boat down. Jaws big odd back. You big back. Look what you did to the boat. Up, and they're exploding. And the boat's gonna start tipping backwards. Sideboard. Starboard. Whatever. Yep, it's front heavy now. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Not good. I doubt they're still alive over there. Look at my hand, it's all the way up there. Fly away. Can I start flying away now? I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna make it. I'm not gonna make it. Am I gonna make it? Man, I'm still above the water. I made it! Where are they? Oh, there they are. I'm coming!
Oh, you just gonna get left behind.
You guys didn't even start.
Get
Oh,
off
yeah, you
this
did.
thing.
Yeah,
I
we
did.
did.
Yeah, I did.
Wait, is the
I
fool
did.
on? Is Purple on?
I don't know. Where
Yeah,
is the
fool.
fool?
I'm on.
Is he on the rocket ship? You're not the
I'm
fool.
on.
No!
Ooh, this is my fool.
That is
I'm
Verbal.
still stand. Where's Verbal?
I love how there's. I love prox chat.
Why? Does he just
Hello?
hear me disappear
Look
in the
at me.
background?
Where's Verbal?
Look at me.
Where's Verbal?
Look at me. I'm just floating midair. My hands are floating midair.
Where is he?
My hands are floating
Oh, there he
midair.
is.
Look at me.
Wait for Verbal. His big back's getting on the spaceship.
Time.
God.
Me too. Remember
Oh, well.
the joke last time?
The
Bro,
big back
ship's
shark?
tipping. Get on the other side.
Oh my god.
Big
That
back
was...
shark. Anthony,
the-
get your boat up here.
Yo, look at this
I'm
derpy
sorry,
ass
why
shark.
is
It's
this
like
slide-
Garchomp, but
Airplane.
It's
an
Garchomp.
It's a
airplane.
black hole. It's a black hole.
Amphgy.
he's getting on a
What do
whole
we
nother
do?
boat. I swear to God,
Big
Amphgy, if you
back.
just died. Quick, Amphgy,
didn't.
go to the other side.
That only was Verbal.
Do you die if you touch it?
No.
Let's find out.
I think I was eating. Big back shark.
He does the shark reaction.
Big
I
ass shark.
survived this. I know how to survive this.
I do too. Remember the one time I literally touched up and you guys were waiting so long for me to get back? Dude is riding every single ship.
And now we're gonna start
Big back.
tipping back. Cause his
Look at
big
Verbal.
back fell off.
Give Verbal big bag. He's riding every single ship.
Oh my god, Verbal.
Should we go to the back of the ship?
I don't
Don't
know.
give no secrets on
That's
how to
your
survive.
decision.
I'm just gonna follow you.
Buddy's riding every single ship in one moment.
But we should not go to the back of the ship.
No!
Oh dang.
Oh darn.
Hello? Hello?
Yeah, I
Oh god, I
pushed
saw
me
you
a wall.
died.
Scooch, Neo.
Oh, wait, come here. Come here. Let me offer you a handshake.
Yeah, here, let me offer you a handshake. Where'd Neo go?
Falling!
Well, then stop falling.
I can't.
Neo! Neo, no! I go down with my ship. Do do do. Do do do. Do. Oh, I didn't die this time. Again. I'm not surprised. Domain expansion. Where are these nitwits? There they are. So do 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 do
You
do do
spin
do
my
do do.
head.
What's wrong with verbal?
Huh? Scared the crap out of me.
Everything.
You getting a big
What
bag.
is wrong with verbal? What
Alright, where we
isn't wrong
going?
with verbal?
This big back wrote every single
What's
ship
wrong
possible.
with you, MG? You talk too much.
We're wait for me. I'm turning on music.
Just get your
Don't turn on
backside over
music,
here.
We're making a video.
Yeah. Party boat. Did you start it?
Guys,
I did now.
guys, wait.
Dude, don't do music. We're making a video.
Welcome to Neo's boat.
Gulp.
Hang on.
I say gulp.
I got bit by something.
Verbal.
Hey, FG.
How do I get up there?
Wave. There's a wave. Wave.
Ooh.
Man.
Yes.
Oh no. Oh no.
Ooh, I was
Oh,
shaking.
oh,
I love
okay,
it when you
oh,
go crazy.
oh, okay.
Oh my.
Nothing holding me back. You take
I'm
me
built
places and tear up
Oh
my
god.
reputation.
I'm him. I'm him.
I'm built different, bro.
Oh my god. Oh my
I
god.
swear.
Oh my god. I'm gonna live longer than Neo. I lived longer than Neo.
Nice. Bro, I am built different.
Come on, come on.
I can't tell you how many life or
Your
death
mom.
situations I had to
Titanic,
Your
Titanic,
mom.
Titanic is not
Titanic.
back. Titanic's not back
Titanic's
yet.
not back.
Spaceship.
Where is the Titanic?
Verbal. Guys, spaceship. Spaceship.
We just love MG.
Egypt.
No,
Egypt.
you don't. How the fuck are you making all
Oh lord.
Come here, Neo.
Yeah. Oh, I've been shaking. I love it when you go crazy. You take all my inhibitions.
Come here, Effigy.
Hold it. Hold on, I'll go back.
I killed Effigy. No. Oh my god. I'm dead. Oh my god. I'm not him. I'm dead. I'm gonna plummet. I'm gonna be absolutely slapped by the water. Where'd you guys go? No! No! Effigy! Submarine! Submarine!
No, last time I did
Neo's
submarine,
big back is
everyone
still on
died.
it. Neo's big back is still on it. What is he doing? Effigy!
Yep, you too. You too.
I partied up with Verbal. Effigy!
Get
over here.
I'm about to eat tater tots. Titanic.
Titanic is not
back.
done yet.
How long does it take?
Very long.
What are we doing then?
They're
Pirate
getting on
ship?
the pirate ship! They're getting on the pirate ship! Run, Effigy, run! There, I started it.
Squidward! I'm gonna look at Squidward!
It's Squinkward. It's Squinkward.
Where's
Word.
Verbal?
Squink
Wait,
word.
Where's Verbal?
Verbal, run!
Verbal, no!
How do you climb faster? How do you
Verbal.
climb faster?
Verbal, no! Verbal!
How do you...
No!
Is that the Titanic?
You can make
Is that the Titanic?
Yes, it's the Titanic.
Did you make
The
it?
Titanic.
He didn't make it.
I can't climb.
Did he make it? No, he didn't make it.
See you
I
guys.
know what
Why
you're
can I
talking
not
about.
climb this? Why can I not climb up this easily?
Ah.
No, 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 no,
Tater
no.
tots. Tits.
No!
Yarr.
No.
I've got a feeling we're gonna hit that rock.
No.
The iceberg.
Nope.
What are we gonna do?
You'll see. Okay, buddy.
I am on top of the world.
Oh
Where's
God,
Verbal?
I don't like that.
It's no different than Verbal and Mr. Herbert playing Crazy Snakes.
Oh God, dude, no. Stop. You need to stop.
Pedal faster. I can't pedal any faster. Where you going, kids? I just want to play some crazy, and we can have some cookies, and then we can go in the back room and play some Crazy Snakes. Get down!
God.
Get down!
That was so mean.
Otsutsuki!
Ow.
Amphigy's about to... I think Amphigy's gonna die to the tentacles.
Dude.
If I get launched that way.
Move, please.
Go get him.
I'm
Go
on
get him.
X game modes now.
Dude,
Get
it's
off
survival
my-
with the fittest.
Get off my pillar. Get off my pillar. No. Get off my pillar.
No.
I pushed
Oh
him
my
off my
God,
pillar.
you
Otsutsuki. And he's dead. He is so dead.
Like you.
And Vegeta's a goner. Uh-oh.
Yo,
Hi.
Yo, I'm gonna live. Do 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 boo new 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 new. I lived. Where's Verbal? They're on the Titanic. Verbal jumped. He's about to jump. He's about to verbal
Don't
jump.
start. Don't start. Somebody fell off. Now, what are we gonna say when the boat starts tipping?
Verbal, go to the other side.
There we go.
Oh, here comes his big back. I better get on. Boy, what are you doing on my tower again?
Hi.
Boy, get off my tower.
Huh?
Effigy?
Yeah.
Oh, you're up here. Okay.
Get off my tower.
Yo, I almost forgot. Tower time.
God.
Tickle tower.
Tickle towers. Where's Verbal? Verbal! Where do you think you're going? Get back here.
Your mom's house.
Get back down.
Yeah. Bro, I invite you to my mom's
Get
house.
back down, Verbal.
Give me my keys.
Alright, that's it.
Get down.
Everybody get up here. We will all survive this.
It's Kai.
Climb.
Where's Neo?
Neo's in Neverland.
Where is he? Oh God. Oh God.
Oh, I found him. Tickle time.
What's up, you big backs?
The big back's behind you.
Hey, Verbal, were you playing Crazy Snakes with Mr. Herbert?
Ah!
Use your mic. Use your mic.
Microphone.
He was. You're not. He wasn't playing Crazy Snakes with Mr. Herbert.
You are Mr. Bird.
I can't. Crazy Snakes and Mr. Herbert.
What's Crazy Sticks?
Oh, you don't.
Crazy
want,
Snakes.
It's Crazy Snakes.
Don't tell
Amphithy.
him. Don't tell him.
I'm not gonna
He
tell
doesn't
him.
even know.
Do not tell him,
I
Verbal.
think I know what it is.
No, it's.
I think, sadly, I know what it is.
We're talking about Geeta
Come on.
Griffin.
You know who Mr. Herbert is?
Oh my god, yes! Buzz, buzz, buzz!
What?
Oh, that episode.
You know we're in...
Verbal, use your mic.
Buzz, buzz, buzz! Microphone,
Crazy
microphone,
Snakes and
microphone,
Mr.
microphone!
Herbert.
Oh my god, no!
Girls, I want to see men.
Oh
Were you playing
no.
Crazy... Were you playing Crazy Snakes with Mr. Herbert? Verbal, were you playing Crazy Snakes with Mr. Herbert?
Where'd you guys go? Quick, Verbal, go to the other side. Uh-oh. 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 Guess who?
What do you
No,
think
it
that
blew
is
up
there?
because the
Guess who?
butterfly. No, I know what really,
Where's
really
Verbal?
caused the Titanic to
He died. He
sink.
fell off.
What?
I know what wait, y'all listen, I know what really
He's on
caused
the rocket
Titanic
ship.
to sink.
He's on the rocket ship.
Verbal. Queso caused the Titanic to sink.
No, 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 no.
And then under all that blubber is what kept him alive
Oh,
for
God.
so long in the cold water.
Oh God.
Move,
I know
move
it.
Mr.
I know
Herbert.
it.
Guess who?
Buzz, buzz, buzz.
No, it's pronounced pedal faster. I can't go any faster. Where you kids going? I just want to give you guys some cookies and go in the other room and we can play Crazy Snakes.
Oh my god.
Apogee,
God.
other side of the boat. Nah. Ah! We're not gonna talk about that.
Yeah, we don't talk about that. Crazy things.
Where's Verbal? Verbal.
I think he's
Were
on the
you-
airplane.
No, he's right here.
Oh. Stop playing Crazy Snakes.
Bam.
What do you call?
He's getting on the rocket ship.
What do you call a cow
Guess who?
in an earthquake?
Your mom.
A milkshake.
Come here, Verbal.
Why kill him? It should be called a milkshake. It should be called a milkshake.
Bye, Verbal.
You're so mean to him.
Where are you,
I'm going to live the
Neo?
longest.
Where are
Nowhere.
you, Neo? Oh, your big bag strapped in. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. No! Verbal. Verbal. Verbal the gerbil. Verbal.
doing something.
Lingang guli guli gu wing wonka. Where's Amphithy?
I love that.
Wing wonka.
Let's go do the oil tanker. Let's try the oil tanker. Let's do the submarine. We haven't done the
Verbal's
submarine.
doing something. Hold up, Verbal's doing something.
Lingang guli guli gu. We should really do a horror game again. The viewers seem to really love that.
Maybe we should go see Granny again.
34 views on Granny. We need to do that again. Amphgy. Amphgy. Be quiet. Amphgy. Just want to mention, except you haven't been in any of the videos. Do not mention any real names.
He doesn't know our real names.
Okay.
Yeah, he does. He just can't remember them. Where are we going?
We're going to...
Oh no, please don't be... We're playing Crazy Snakes with Mr. Herbert. I don't want to play Crazy Snakes with Mr. Herbert.
My love, mine is like you.
Verbo, I don't want to play Crazy Snakes with Mr. Herbert.
Ain't me nothing like mine. I've have a good life. I'm gonna live like I used to do. So, wait, does this have audio? Wait, does this have audio? Does it like track your audio?
Yes. So you actually have to stop being a loudmouth.
Hey guys, we're there for another video.
So guys, that's where we're gonna be ending today's. If you hear YouTube in the back, Neo in the background.
Cartoon Cat. If you guys don't remember the last video,
So I'm going to be making another video soon. Hope you stay tuned to watch.
Unless I